house. The firefighters were around the other side of the canyon dealing with the mountains. There was so much fire in here. It was insane. Insane. Our trees are catching on fire. Houses are catching on fire. There was fire every single direction you look. You can't really see it right here, but we're in this kind of valley, mountain range area right now, and we're completely surrounded. There was hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of acres on fire and embers flying everywhere. So the Santa Ana winds are what bring it in. It's these warm winds that come from the Santa Anas, and they're hot. And they catch stuff on fire, and they're powerful, and they're dry. And this is when fire season is in Malibu. Fire season happens all the time.
It's a great place to live, but it's kind of like the Wild West in that we have fires, we have floods, we have mudslides, we have rock slides. It's you know, it's not as glamorous maybe as everyone may think, but it is an amazing and beautiful place to live. But you have to deal with things like this, unfortunately.
We ain't gonna lose this fucking house. We are not gonna lose this fucking house. And I got up and I opened up the door, and it was all the mountains surrounding us were engulfed in flames. But the fire was extremely close.